Does anyone in chat have snacks? I'm curious.
Yeah, what snack? Bubble waffles.
What's that?
Have you ever... What's up guys, Robeytech here. Welcome to the second episode of Build a Rig with AMD. I am very excited because this is our first AMD Advantage system and we are gonna be building it live with Breebun, who has never built a PC before. We're also working with xidax, which if you don't know who xidax is, they are another great system integrator. They work a lot with game developers, very, very close to the people who actually make games. So I feel like this is a great collaboration coming together and we're building one heck of a system. But let's go ahead and jump over to Bree and let her introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Breebun. I'm a variety streamer and I've been streaming on Twitch for about 5 years. I got started in streaming because my dad actually encouraged me to do it. I've always been a backseat gamer to him growing up, so naturally I was really into video games and I've always wanted to stream, but it was kind of like a pipe dream, but he was like, just go for it, so I did. My current system is a conglomeration of parts. I'm not super PC savvy, but it's a bit outdated, so I'm ready to upgrade. I don't have any experience with PCs or PC building. I know next to nothing about PC parts, so I'm super excited to learn not only the process, but like what goes into making a PC and how it all works. Coming up on my stream, I am going to be playing The Last of Us on the PC that we are building today, so I'm super excited about that. But other than that, I'm looking forward to playing Tears of the Kingdom when it comes out. I'm really excited to partner with xidax. I heard they take great care of their customers, and I'm excited to learn more about that. I stream over on Twitch at Breebun, and you can find me on Instagram at bunbree, which is just the reversal, and you can find me on Twitter at Breebun as well.
And then introduce yourself.
Yo! Hi, I'm Colton. I'm the president of xidax, and I'm here today to talk about what makes xidax different.
Tell us what's different about xidax.
One of the things that we're always trying to strive for in xidax is to make an experience that is unlike any others. So what's the xidax difference? We're trying to encapsulate that feeling of building yourself, but online with our sales team. It allows you to have the bumpers up, so you get an incredible PC, you get a huge selection of different products that you get guided on, and you get our awesome warranties and it's sent directly to your home, ready to go. It's that great feeling of, hey, I just made this really cool thing, boop, power on the button, good to go.
What's a 10-second overview of xidax? Wrap it up in 10.
Okay. xidax, we build computers. It's cool, warranty, thanks.
Guys, welcome to episode 2 of Build a Rig with AMD. I am here with the very, very high social climber herself, Breebun. So, just so you guys don't know, she is a princess among social climbers, well known in all of the highest circles. Why don't we actually have Colton come out on the stream, right? So Colton, come on out here. Let's see. Here we go. This is Colton. Colton, xidax, what is it?
Gaming PCs.
Okay, thanks, and that was all. Really appreciate it. We're really grateful for you being here. Start it off, and let's talk about the parts we're putting inside of this. Ooh. And then once we get started, we're gonna have Colton come at intermittent times. We did a stream with my dad, and he was playing Santa Claus, and he had to come in and tell a dad joke every time we called him in. So you, sir, every time we call you in, you need to start prepping dad jokes. We are gonna start with parts.
All right.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
We're using a Ryzen 9 7950X. So there's your CPU. For RAM, this is not right. We actually have Expo. We have 32 gigs of 6000 Expo RAM that we're gonna basically be using. And so it's DDR5, you get 32 gigs. That's plenty for you to do any gaming and all that sort of stuff. Should be fun. Okay, for storage, they give you almost enough to install Call of Duty. Oh. It's 2 terabytes. This is a WD Black SN850X. Amazing. It's their fastest Gen 4 NVMe drive. Our motherboard. We've got the ROG Strix X670E gaming Wi-Fi. For our cooling, it's not this one, but I have it in a box, which is good. So we're gonna be using the Deepcool LS720. The one that they actually has that beautiful X right there, so it's a little bit customized. But the cool thing about the Deepcools is they actually allow you to 3D print and put your own logo on there and stuff like that, which is actually pretty neat.
So cool.
So it's a nice little option there, and you can always do that. For fans, we got a couple in here. The Corsair QL120 fans. Everybody loves these because they just look really pretty.
They do.
You have a lot of RGB options, and everybody knows that RGB makes the game and the system run at least 1 million frames per second faster.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah,
for sure.
That's the word on the
She's
screen.
completely agreeing with me.
Yeah. I'm yes manning. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
We also have PSU. So this is the MSI MAG AB50G. This is actually a PCI 5, so it does have that gnarly 16-pin connector. And then lastly, we have the coup de grace. I'll let you hold this.
Oh, yeah.
There it is, your AMD Radeon 7900 XT. Whoa.
Boombox.
That's where you went.
Moment.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
And then the last thing we have the case. We also, look at these custom, these are.
I love licorice.
Aren't they?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yes, that's not the first or last time that somebody has said that.
I just gotta say, you're not wrong. That's your build.
Awesome.
That's all your stuff. You feeling good? What do you think?
Oh, I'm
They did pretty good?
over the moon.
I think those people at xidax know a thing or two about
I think
PC
they might know
parts.
what they're doing. Oh yeah.
You wanna open that
Oh
up?
my gosh, yes. This is the
Boom.
first challenge,
This is the
right?
first one.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got that part done now.
Yes.
Next part is the RAM clicks, okay? Colton,
Okay.
come on in here. Cool thing about xidax is they actually send you all of their RAM in a takeout container. Colton, between 90 and 100 decibels, you gotta think, how loud are the clicks going to be when Brebun and I install the RAM?
Between 90 and 100
90 and 100 decibels.
That's pretty loud.
I know.
I mean, what are we trying to do? Like,
No.
okay, well, we're gonna go on the low end of the spectrum for her and on the higher end of the spectrum for you.
Okay, so we're gonna say 95.
Okay,
Does that 95 work?
95 for you,
You're-
and I'll
Is that
say,
your 95?
No,
95?
it's only one number.
I'm gonna go with 90.
90?
I'm gonna go with 90.
Okay,
Interesting.
90. You guys can see the decimal meter.
Wow, it just got
So quiet.
very quiet.
Really
It's
did.
intimate. It's an intimate setting.
Well, let me get my
Right.
out of my lunch pail here.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, first, so I will show you the technique. Okay, here's what you do. Set it like, and you're gonna put it in between.
Okay.
Like
Come over here.
Yeah.
So you can see he's lining it up.
Okay, right.
There you go.
Yeah.
Take your thumbs. Watch. 89.9.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, we're on it.
We're on
Like
it.
he knew.
Okay,
Am I
follow the
slotting
same.
it into the same exact
You're
one?
gonna put
or
it right here.
This one.
The
Okay.
the fourth slot. Okay.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
There we
And
go.
it should just sit in there.
Yep.
And
And
then
then
you're
you
gonna
just
put thumbs on each side, and you're gonna give it a good press. And we have more if you break it.
Okay.
78.5, guys.
Very gentle.
That is, you're pretty
it's like I
good.
build PCs.
Usually, I'll be honest, I actually thought that was gonna be a pretty easy target to hit, because most of the time they hit 95, 96. There's some people who lost a lot of money right now.
Oh, man.
So 90 was
snap.
not good. 86 people, I lost everything.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Dang.
Dang. I didn't know people were betting that hard. I thought this was just a
Oh,
spur
no,
of the
no,
moment.
people
You
said
said making I had to
very
come up with
serious.
jokes.
People
Right.
take jokes. People take this very, very seriously.
I had
so.
no
Right.
idea.
It's very competitive.
Okay, so here we go.
All right, brace yourselves.
Brace yourselves. You're gonna be
I might
prepared.
faint.
Oh
My
snap!
stars.
Oh my stars! So what I'm gonna have you do first is I'm gonna have you take that screw out
Okay.
and that screw out.
Okay, perfect.
Here we go.
This?
This right here. Yeah, pull towards you.
What? Oh,
Bear all. Just keep pulling.
keep pulling. Oh, thank you. Oh my god.
Look at this.
I
Look
don't
at
think I
that.
can make eye
Can you-
contact.
it's like
It's
it's
so-
like one of those
it's so
awkward
much.
moments. You know what? Honestly, this thing needs a suntan. It's a little.
It's a bit bright.
It's a little bright. We're gonna take off the front.
Okay.
So here at the bottom, you can feel the little clip right here. Just go ahead and
Okay.
pull hard, hard,
I
hard,
need to right hand that.
hard, hard.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, keep going. There we
Nice.
go.
Cool.
Boom.
Are these also like they hang on?
I don't think these are captive.
Okay, so I'm taking them all the way.
You're gonna take them all the way. Now just be
Oh.
careful, cause
Oh.
you. I warned her. Did you?
okay.
I said. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you see
Okay.
how there's like this rectangle here, and there's a rectangle here,
Yes,
and so
you
this
wanna
is
line
going,
that up?
and then there's a little this little peg right here
Okay.
goes in that hole.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna lift and put in. You know what?
Okay.
It honestly helps how tall you are. But
yeah, I
if
was
we
gonna
need
say.
to, check this out.
Yeah, that's a good.
Is that good?
I think so.
You good?
Yeah, that's a good.
Is that one?
Yeah. Maybe a little bit lower. Yeah. Let me just climb inside the PC. I think I got it.
Okay. Okay, so you got it.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, so now it's time to put all the screws in.
Okay, perfect. Let me just drink my
Okay, so
water
I got all
over
this-
here.
Why are you gonna do it off camera? Here, roll me camera. Let's just get right in that. Just show.
I just don't wanna
This is what it
actually
looks like when an influencer drinks, just like this.
I'm so hydrated.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we'll do it top down. I think that'll be the best rate. Yeah, cool. Okay, so here we go top down.
Okay.
This one is gonna go right here.
Okay.
And it's just
Same
same thing. Now if it doesn't go in when you start pushing, then just flip it around. Okay, going to Roman, so he's gonna get in on your hand.
Okay.
Look at this, she's a hand model, by the way, guys.
My hands are quite small for how tall I am.
How do you know that?
My chat makes fun of me.
Well, how do they know? Like, okay, so you and I are the same height. Let me see. Oh, wow. Did you guys see? Okay, look at Lo. Get in here. Get in here. Look at, we're the same height, guys.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, yeah, I've got full like a full tip up on that.
It's
Exposed live.
I
Wow.
got small hands.
Why do you have such small hands? Conspiracy theory. Bree hosted the stream as propaganda to pretend she had average
That
size
was the
hands.
point all along.
It was like, because you know what, honestly, that if people don't think she has average size hands, then she's not going to be able to keep her job.
Also keeps her out of high society.
Yeah, and it does keep her out of high
Guys,
society. Guys,
I'm
you guys
tired
are
of this.
ruining it. You're making it so she can't follow her dreams.
God.
Okay, get in here, Colton. Let's do this.
Oh no.
Time to start. We're gonna
Let's give it up
work.
for
We're gonna
Colton.
get Colton back in here. Get our fans going.
It's just because you want me to play with the fans.
Yeah, we're gonna. There's 3 fans and 3 of us.
Yes.
Look at how that works
Hey,
together.
perfect.
Oh, that was it. Now it's. Oh, that's in.
Is it?
Okay, you can
Okay.
screw it now. This is a lot of work. So go ahead and do the right side.
It's like putting on lug nuts.
Yeah, pretty much.
Go around in a circle.
Yeah.
There we go. We're getting Colton involved. Colton, what was your dad joke?
Let's see. What was I gonna do? How did the computer escape from the room?
How did the computer escape from the
Oh
room?
man. How indeed.
Through the windows.
Oh, that's good.
It's not only is it a dad joke, it is also a real like a PC dad joke.
Yeah. I was trying to keep it on theme.
Okay. This is looking good. Wow, I just blind.
Yeah, good
job.
You need to scratch yourself in the
This
face.
guy is just like,
great.
I was like, what is going on?
My left hand is like not.
Here, why don't you switch with me?
Okay.
Because it's already on there. Like it's not gonna like jump off.
Oh, okay, cool.
It does.
Oh, it's gonna jump off.
It's jumping off.
It's like a whoa.
Oh my god, jump scare.
This is very easy to do with average hands. It's like it's important to have. If you don't have average hands, you may just want to not build a PC.
I'm like, here's some more light.
Yeah.
More light.
Is
Yeah,
it
there
here?
you-
No.
Here you go. Oh, more light.
There's more light.
Oh, here it is.
There it is. Okay, I was like,
There's just cables. My brain like can't. This is helping so much. This is like some very Sith behavior right now. Okay.
you want?
Okay, so that is it for this section of
Perfect.
Colton Joins Us. We'll see you on the next section. Be prepared because I think you'll have to be here for GPU installation.
Okay.
So,
Just
yeah.
let me know.
Does anyone in chat have snacks? I'm curious.
Yeah, what snack? Bubble waffles.
What's that?
Have you ever... What? Bubble waffles.
What do you mean,
The heck's
what?
a bubble
I
waffle?
kind of feel like we should order bubble waffles and see if they get here before
Is
the
it a dessert?
Yes.
Wait, I
Can
think
you
I've
eat? Can
seen
you eat
those.
sugar?
Oh yeah.
Okay, just make sure.
I
Can you
will.
eat sugar? Oh, well, I don't know. I mean, you can't assume. Like some
These
people are like.
hands were made to
These
eat
hands-
sugar.
Okay, here you go.
So-
Okay, bubble waffles are officially on the way.
Woohoo!
Okay, bubble waffles on the way. There it is. We've done the spine method for install here, and so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the cable extensions. What they gave us everything we need for this. So nice cable extensions, or as you call them,
Licorice. Or
So-
Twizzlers.
Or Twizzlers. Yeah.
Twizzlers. Oh. Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, I think that one. Yeah.
Did you get it in?
I think so. There we go. I heard a click.
You heard it
That was
click.
Good.
I'm gonna cut these last 2 cables, and then we're gonna do GPU, PSU, and turn it on.
Woohoo!
That's all there is.
That's all.
The whole
she
charade. I don't know where I was going with whatever I just said there. Madame, your GPU.
Yeah.
Have you done it yet?
No, not yet.
Is it open yet?
Not yet. It's about to be though.
Are you prepared? Are you mentally prepared for this?
I'm nervous.
What is your what's going through your mind right now? What is
Am I ready for this?
Am I
every
ready?
moment of my life is led up to this. I don't know if I can handle this.
There you go. Now you got to get on the slot. You're in the slot now.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, you have installed the GPU.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Exciting.
Here it is, power supply.
I assume we need the
Yes,
stuff
we
in
need
there.
but not all of them.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take your power cable. Do you want to keep the cool box or no?
Sure.
You want the bag?
You want the bag because then you have.
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
do any
yeah.
upgrades or whatever,
Okay.
you've got them.
There you
Hat.
Oh, you have a hat.
One time I was making slime on stream, and I thought it would be a great idea to put it on my head.
Oh no.
And it just immediately got stuck. There's a really great clip of it somewhere.
Okay, cool.
Nice.
Guys, build is done. How's it look? Do that.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Now, hit that power button.
All right, here we go. Take 2.
I'm like failing.
Good, right?
Oh, so good.
Okay, Colton, so we have built a xidax PC. Again, if people want to tune in, like find out more about xidax, where do they go?
xidax.com or any of our social medias, which is xidax. I think I'm the only one.
Okay, and then the other thing too is that you said you can watch, people can tune in, watch you stream, all that sort of stuff.
Yep. Okay, so we stream like usually Tuesday, Thursday, as well as checking out our Facebook, xidax. We put live streams and builds and all the cool stuff that we do, as well as being xidax, which is kind of strange.
And then any cool sales coming up?
Yeah, and giveaways.
Okay, well there you go. Make sure you guys follow xidax and check them out. Now let's close it out with Bree. Okay, guys, it is done. Now, real quick, I'm gonna show you right here, you're seeing a benchmark of just some different games at 1440p of how this thing essentially runs. Because the other thing too is you probably are like, you watch a system like this, you're like, how does it actually do?
Right.
Because if they want to pick up this exact same system from xidax, we want them to be able to do that. But Bree,
Yes.
first PC, how was it? Was it fun?
So amazing. Honestly, unforgettable. Had a fantastic time. I can't wait to try to build another one, honestly.
I still like the idea of having your dad come and you guys building a PC and I just watch and all that sort of stuff. I'm telling you, we're gonna make this happen. AMD is gonna go, we're gonna do a PC build with him.
Absolutely.
The first game you're gonna play, because we didn't actually get to play it on the stream. So what's the first game?
Last of Us PC, part 1.
And that's a pretty special game to you.
Oh gosh, yes.
Yes.
Very near and dear to my heart.
And so if you want to watch you cry,
yes.
which, I mean, in a good way, not in a bad way.
way.
In a good way.
In an emotional way.
So where would people, if people want to watch you and check you out, where do they go?
Yeah, twitch.tv/BreeBun. All my socials are BreeBun except for Instagram, which is BunBree.
And then again, if you want to tune in, she also shows average hands. I mean, that's a big other thing about it, so you guys should definitely tune in for that.
Definitely average size hands, not small.
Not small, average.
Yes.
But, and I am Robeytech, and you're obviously watching us live on YouTube. But guys, if you want to see more live content like this, head over to twitch.tv/Robeytech, kick.com/Robeytech, or facebook.com/Robeytech to watch any of our stuff. You're already watching this on YouTube Live. Or you can also head over to our Discord server, discord.gg/Robeytech, where if you love PCs like this, you can go and chat about them, get questions answered. We can talk about xidax and all the other partners that we partner with. Huge shout out to AMD, to xidax, to BreeBun, to America,
to Robey,
to the world, to Bubble Waffles.
Yes, Bubble.
Wow, that was awkward. Bubble Waffles and everything else that we did. Guys, we really do hope you enjoyed this episode, and we will see you on the next one.